welcome to Boss News. I greet everybody, toilet for you. Now about all these Yoruba people where they talk say, Igbo people buy my land, Igbo people want pursue us for land, Igbo people want come out us for Lagos, this one. Wait, make I ask you. Now Igbo people will tell you say make you sell your land. I be you no say Igbo people get the same problem where you get. Because as they buy your own, now so other people they buy their own. The first day where I come Nigeria, me and Oyibo follow reach Nigeria. Now so we see people for Ghost Road. They know the hawk about. Where did they hawk na land? Buy land though, buy land for Lake Yo. This one they say buy land for phase 1. This one they say buy land for phase 2. This one. Now so people they sell land everywhere. Una don't say that land where they go sell, give somebody. Una they say una future children place, the place where they go build a house. All this is what they do. Make una know they blame anybody. African man too blame somebody for his mistake. Make una they take responsibilities for una thing what una do. I don't like all these things so. Me and Obasanjo did that day when they talk for Dubai. We dey chop money, we dey drink, they enjoy ourselves. Now so when they disturb them, say Jagaban, come help us. This one. Obasanjo did the when they sell the land. Abi Tunumbu did the when they sell the land. You don't sell the land, go chop the money finish. Prom don't come. You don't they call Obasanjo, they call Tunumbu. See, make I tell you, they be my friends. They know who come. They get waiting, they do wait, they dead busy. For some of when I want to talk, say, wait. Make I show you the video, make you see as it.
I want the Koni Yoruba. We are the only Yorubas in Ladipo as a whole. Living, passing mechanic. We have more than 13 different workshops in Ladipo. To Akiwumi extension, to Igbolowu extension, to Malaji Musa. All those places have been taken over by Igbo people. These only remain for only Yorubas and the Igbo people. They are now telling us they are going to use millions to remove us. They are going to remain here forever. Please, the people of Lagos State, Tinubu, Baba Agbalagba, the Jagaban of universe.
You don't see the video? Because more thing like this, African man don't they talk say, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Anybody wants to do ever take this land from me? Anybody will want to take the land away from you. Now you will cause the problem by yourself. You and your husband don't calculate them. Say, una won't sell this land. Una don't sell them tomorrow. Problem don't come. Even devil will not the fire yourself. Devil, if you see him back now, everywhere in a pace, wait till I don't take Holy Ghost fire, do it for midnight when I go gather. They give a Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Pastor, the way they do your own. You the way they do your own, they give devil Holy Ghost fire. Make una watch you na self. This devil will not they call anyhow. When they don't come now, come first now, come take una light now. Now go begin to talk say na nepa na this one. Now devil will not they play with you. And when they go, they call Holy Ghost fire. They call Holy. Una no say quarantine day. Holy Ghost fire itself, they for quarantine for heaven. May they no come for this earth now. When they call them, Holy Ghost fire come, Holy Ghost fire come. You come now. Come by mistake. Come by 8 o'clock. Coronavirus go catch up. Una no say government talk and say 8 o'clock go house. Coronavirus they come at that time. Una go they call Holy Ghost fire make you come. What of say coronavirus go catch Holy Ghost fire now? Who you go call again now? Make una dey watch una self the way one I take the call Holy Ghost fire. Make you know can't lose your Holy Ghost fire. Because I get my own no. Even the Igbo people who they call self, when you reach Igbo land now, you go see somebody for Anambra where they all say, come buy land though, come buy land for Onitsha, come buy land for Anambra, come buy land for Imo. They sell their land everywhere. When they don't sell and finish now. You know what is going to happen tomorrow? They come tell you, say, now some people will cause their problem. Say no, Oyibo, say this one. Make I tell you something. Oyibo no cause your problem. Hausa people no cause any problem. Now you, we go sell land. Where God don't give you, say, make you and your brothers, you and your children, take this land, do what you like. Make you no sell them. Because for Bible, God tell us, say, make you no sell land, but you not go to sell land. Make I tell you now. What is selling of land they bring? Now say, development, 1. Losing of your place, 2. Make you know. So before you go sell your land, calculate am very well. Say, you wan sell this land. Say, see wetin be the implication o. E dey bring good and bad. So, people wey dey call Igbo people, make I dey beg una. Even Igbo people themselves, any place where you dey for Nigeria, for Africa, before you sell your land, understand say you dey lose that place. Say no be anybody's fault. If you no get money, find a way to make money. Money rules the world. This thing is not insult o, but make you no talk say na because of money. No, that person wey buy that land wan make use of it. So make you no go dey put blame on that person. You go call somebody wey dey on your own. You understand? So please, make we go beg, make I go beg devil now, any place where you dey. Because make you no come and beg Holy Ghost fire. I no want make you come by 8 o'clock. Make we not come lose our Holy Ghost fire. And remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime when they bring new good news, you go to see them, you go be first to see them. And always remember, say, and they bring good news for you. Whatever you do, before you do something, consult God first, so that you no go make mistake. When you don't make mistake finish, you come begin to call God, say, God, please, God, no be God. You go first consult him. Accept him in your life. So when you accept God, you go direct all your ways, all your footsteps, whatever you do, anything way you do, God go first come first. You dey hear? So remain blessed. I go by the name Boss.